Let's get ready for pepper and dish liquid experiment. We need black pepper, dish liquid, plate and water. Messimeter would be moderate and time required maximum 5 minutes. And now let's collect the materials like plate, black pepper, dish liquid and water. These are the materials with which our experiment will take place. And now let's start with the first step. Here I am going to pour water in a shallow dish, or you can say plate. After this, sprinkle a tablespoon of black pepper on the top of the water as I am showing you in the video. Here we have sprinkled the black pepper, and now dip your fingertip without applying any dish liquid into the water. You will see some of the pepper sticks to your fingertip. And in this step, dip your fingertip into the dishwashing liquid and dip into the water. Observe the difference now. You will see that dish liquid molecules push away from the water molecules. And do you know, students, how did that happen? Let's come to know. The pepper floats on the water because it is lighter than the water. Thus, do not disturb the surface tension of the water. Whereas dish liquid breaks the surface tension of the water. Thus, dish liquid molecules push away from the water molecules. I hope, students, you all enjoyed this easy science experiment, and now try this experiment at home under your parents' vigilance.